what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the p-value in a significance test. And this will be a t-test when you guys are testing the claim for the means. You guys have significance tests for the means. So using a TI-84 graphing calculator, you guys go to your stats menu here. So we use the stats. On the top, you guys have some options. We're going to go to the test way over here. And it depends what you guys are using. You can have a 1 sample t-test or a 2 sample t-test. I'm going to show you guys the 1 sample. So when you go down to t-test here, it doesn't say 1 sample, but you guys have a t for the means and you guys have the significance test. If you guys are using a 2 sample, well, you guys can go down to 2 sample t-test, but I'll show you guys the one here. When you guys click enter, you guys have 2 options for your inputs. You guys can have the data, which is the list of values. If you have a list, we can use list 1 L1, list 2 L2, or whatever list you guys are using. So you guys can use a list, or we can use statistics. I'll do the statistics for this video. So let's say that we want to test the claim of body temperatures, and we know that a lot of doctors and scientists, they claim that on average the temperature for the human body is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to test that claim, 98.6. That's going to be mu sub 0, the claim. And remember, this comes from your null hypothesis, your claim. Then we need your sample mean. So you guys will have 1 sample. X bar is your statistic from the sample. So the mean of the sample, let's say we get a 98.237. The standard deviation of the sample is 0.822 and the sample size is 32. So 32 people, 32 students, 32 human beings. We gather the statistics, their body temperature, and we got those statistics. Now for the claim, let's say that we just want to test not the same as 98.6 or different than 98.6. I'm not really sure if it's more than 98.6, the body temperature, or if it's less. So I'm just going to say not equal to. If you guys are testing less than or greater than, remember to keep an eye on that, guys. When you go down, you're going to have to move. You guys have to check. You guys have to know which one you guys have to use. So you guys choose the correct test. We are going to use the alternative hypothesis not equal to. And then you guys go to calculate. Once you guys go to calculate, it will give you guys here your test. So we're using not equal to, the claim 98.6. The first one, T, that is your test statistic, your T-score, negative 2.4898. We can round to negative 2.50. The next one is the p-value. P-value is 0.018, and then you guys have more numbers. And then you guys have the sample mean, X bar, and the sample standard deviation, S of X, and the sample size. Now, the p-value. Remember that the p-value is evidence against the null hypothesis. So if the p-value is less than the alpha level, you reject the null hypothesis. If the p-value is greater than alpha level, you fail to reject. But this is your evidence, and you will need your p-value for your significance test and your test statistic. All right, guys, so practice with your calculator so you guys know where to go. And when you guys are carrying out those significance tests, make sure you guys understand your alpha level and how many samples you guys have, 1 sample or 2 sample, and then go ahead and find your evidence, the p-value, and also your test statistic. If you guys like my videos, you guys can subscribe to my channel. You guys can like this video, practice, and I'll see you guys later.